Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can generate music with just AI. I hope you guys heard me well. I will show you how you can generate music with pure lyrics and beat with just AI. So if you want to show your loved one, that you love them, you want to, show someone that you really care about them, you can decide to just use this AI to generate a very sharp music. Now I don't want to waste much of your time. I want to show you something here. So just listen to this song that I did, right? Okay. Youths know they wait. We they build a new future, make everybody relate. So when you hear our story, no say we survive. Struggle no fit kill that Niger. Now, do you believe that I used just few AI tools to do this? And in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step. Now, let's go. The first place we have to go is to ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT, as you all know. So I will just write a prompt, generate a lyrics that suits the situation of Nigeria, right? So I'll now send it. Now you can see it has just generated in lyrics. You can see everything here, version 1, verse 1, verse 2, chorus and all of that. Now see what I'm going to do. I will ask it to, you say, if you want, I can also make a rap version. So I'll be asking it to do a rap version for me right now. Okay, I'll do a rap version, right? I will now send it. Sorry, I will now send it. As you can see, it has just done the rap version. I hope you can see intro. Naija Spirit no dey die listing. So what I have to do now is to copy all of these, right? I will select all of these. So I'll start from this year. I'll now copy. I'll have to copy everything, even the bridge, right? Outro. Now I'll click on copy. Now that I've copied this, I will edit it. I will remove these places they said outro, intro and all of that. So let me just edit it, right? Now I want to put something in this place. I want to add server HQ so that anybody who is listening to it will know that it's server HQ that did it. So you can do the same if you want to, do it in respect for someone. Thanks server HQ. And by the time I will generate it, you will definitely hear thanks server HQ. So I'll now copy everything, right? I will have to copy everything. So the next place I have to go is to my browser. I'll go to my browser and I'll search Suno AI. I'll allow it to load. Look at the first link here. I'll just tap on this first link and it will open, right? So once it opens, you come to this place. Like me, I didn't even create an account. You can decide to create an account or you just go straight to business. So you can click here. So once it opens, you click on customize, right? That is on custom. Then this is where they said lyrics, right? So I can now paste my lyrics here. So I will have to paste all those things that I hope you can see that this is everything that I've done, right? So after pasting it, the next thing I will do is to click on create, right? So I'll click on create. Okay, let me check this style. Okay, then I'll click on create, right? I'll click on create. And you can see it has started acting. immediately, right? I hope you can see it. It has started creating. So look at it here. It said yeah. So let's wait while it creates. Immediately after creating, I will play this for you so that you will see it, how it happened. Yo guys, now we are done creating, as you can see it here. So I'll be playing this right now. You guys should just listen to our created songs, right? Yeah, now just feel it, know it, daddy. Listen, aye. Nice about you, na na na. Listen, nice about you, na na na. Guys, I hope you can see this. You can do this as many as you want, and this music is a banger. Just imagine if you are an artist and this can give you an insight. All you just need to do is now use your voice and rephrase the music, and boom, you are good to go. Guys, don't play with this update. Please do well to subscribe to my channel because I'll be bringing a lot of updates for you guys. See you guys on the next one.